Hello again. We've had lots of sunshine around this weekend and more of that to come as well. It's been a beautiful start to the day in western Scotland, a fine weather watcher picture here, but there hasn't been much rain around. That's really been a theme of our weather through April. Across England and Wales in particular, we've seen less than half the April average rainfall. In Scotland, about average rainfall, and in Northern Ireland, between and betwixt, we've had about 3/4 of our rainfall here, and there's not much to come really in the week ahead. But otherwise, I don't really think there's going to be many showers around at all. It should stay dry and fine for most of you with sunny spells. The wind's still coming in across the cool waters of the North Sea, so again, it's these eastern areas that will have a certain chill. Now, beyond Friday, we'll take a quick look at the jet stream pattern. This is how things look at the moment. This is a ridge to the north of the UK, and this actually builds the big area of high pressure that we've got at the moment that's been bringing the fine weather. Now, I'm going to run you through about a week's worth of jet stream here, and you can see there will be some changes here and there, but the biggest change is that we start to get this ridge moving a little bit further west and building over towards Greenland area. That's where we're going to see an area of high pressure to the west of the UK. Of course, for us, that means we'll probably start to develop more of a northwesterly wind and probably areas of low pressure starting to move in from next weekend. So rain or showers in the forecast as we head into the early part of May. Northwesterly winds turning cooler. It might be cold enough to see a little bit of mountaintop snow returning to the highest ground in northern Scotland as well. So I suppose the main message is make the most of the dry and sunny weather, because over the next few days it will be turning both cloudier and cooler as well.
There, good afternoon. Some lovely sunshine to start the day. I think we'll hold on to that on the whole. A bit of fair weather cloud around and still decent temperatures, 18 or 19 Celsius.
Hello, good evening. Sunny skies for many across town today. A great opportunity to go and see some of the bluebells in bloom, as captured here by our weather watcher in Wanstead.
Hello. Most parts of the UK have had a decent day with lots of sunshine around, and temperatures reached 19 degrees in the warmest spots of both southern England and southern Wales as well. Had a little bit of fair weather cloud bubbling up like this in many areas. However, it's not been like that everywhere. Northeastern areas of Scotland have seen some thicker cloud roll in, and with that, temperatures through the afternoon limited to just 7 degrees in parts of the northeast. And there's quite a bit more of that cloud as we look upstream that's waiting to move its way southwards. So generally, the weather's going to be turning a bit cloudier and a bit cooler over the next few days.
Good evening. Well, it has been a largely dry, bright and breezy sort of weekend. Plenty of sunshine around. This was the picture Sunday afternoon in Merseyside. Not everywhere has seen quite so much blue sky around. In fact, if we take a look at the satellite image, you can see there's been a bit more cloud in the far southwest, the odd shower there, and there's been this cloud draped across parts of northeast Scotland and northeast England as well. But it's been largely dry once again. Now, this April is turning out to be a notably dry April. In fact, 7 of the last 10 Aprils have been significantly drier than average, and this April continues on that trend, particularly so across parts of central and southeast England, where some areas have had only about a third of the expected amount of rainfall that we would have seen by this stage in April. And really the forecast for the rest of this month, in many areas, little or even no rainfall at all in the forecast.
Hello there, very good evening to you. I hope you've had a really lovely weekend. We have seen a largely dry picture across the UK today, and temperatures, well, not looking too bad, somewhere around 5 to 7 degrees, and tomorrow a mixture of sunny spells and showers. See you later.
There, good evening. Some lovely sunshine around to enjoy from time to time over the next few days. High pressure really starting to build, but over the first few days of the week we're going to draw in some cooler air from the north. Once the high pressure, which will of course kill off any chance of seeing rain over the next few days, establishes, that's when temperatures will start to rise again. But really we're only going to get the temperatures back to where they ought to be for the time of year, just noticeably cooler than of late.
Good evening. Well, the weekend brought us a lot of fine, dry and settled weather with plenty of sunshine, continuing the trend of this dry April that we've seen so far. This was the picture near Wigan, taken on Sunday afternoon. Beautiful blue skies around there. More of the same, in fact, through the next few days. Still largely dry and settled. You will notice it'll be slightly cooler and cloudier, and there's just the chance of a few showers around on Monday. But in general, the next few days dominated by high pressure, which is building in from the north, and then it's going to be sitting right across the UK from midweek onwards. And then looking towards the end of the week, no great change. High pressure still in charge, keeping things a little cooler but largely dry with some sunny spells, but fairly cloudy through Thursday and Friday too. Bye-bye.